eighth notes. You count these 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When I teach strumming, this is an E major chord, I will go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This technique is called alternate strumming or alternate picking, so it's something I really teach a lot. This is really useful. Two main things to learn from this rhythm will be the count, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the strumming direction, which would be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. A common mistake I see, people will practice their eighth notes exactly as I just kind of did then, no metronome. What that does is, it doesn't really allow you to find where the pulse, where the beat is, because you're just playing, you're just going down, up, down, up. I really recommend getting a metronome to start with. You could practice just saying it. That's the hard bit, I think, to initially to feel the gap. So these are playing quarter notes, which is your 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your job with eighth notes is, in between the beat, you need to say and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then after that, try and play along with it, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So making sure that you know how to play the eighth note along with any kind of beat. It could be a song. That's another thing I'll do with students, is a song they know really well is try and get them to do some eighth notes. Any kind of rhythm, because otherwise you can trick yourself into just on your own pretending that you're playing eighth notes. So to sum up, the things I think are super important to take away from this: the count. I have a cheesy saying, which is, if you can't say it, you can't play it. You have to know how these eighth notes are spoken. The other thing is picking direction. It's really useful. This is non-negotiable actually, is I think go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The reason this is because when you're moving on to more complex rhythms, so say it's a bar of eighth notes, but there are some rests in there. What we do is we keep our hand strumming exactly as we would. It's just whether or not they would strum the strings. So let me give you a kind of an example of this. So if I had a rhythm that kind of went 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, you'll notice I didn't play all the beats, but my hand still went down and up. I just moved in and out. This muscle memory is really important. It's going to help you pick up the tougher stuff much quicker. I do have a video with some training tips on this, so have a look at that. Otherwise, good luck.